Good morning everyone. Myself Samir Sagar from Brocaro. I am doing diploma from Government Polytechnic Latehar. As a student of diploma, it is necessary to work on any mini life projects. So I have chosen Codezeal company for my training. Now I want to share my experiences, whatever I got and whatever I learned from the company during my training period. So the web development training at Codezeal was truly awesome. The program covered a wide range of essential technologies both on the front end and back end. Learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap for the front end development, and Python with Django for back end development is a powerful combination that equips you with the skill to build dynamic and interactive websites. One aspect that stood out to me was the hand on approach of the training. Being able to work on real world project allowed me to apply what I learned and gain practical experiences. The instructor at Codezeal were very knowledgeable and supportive, always willing to answer the question and provide guidance whatever needed. Another highlight was the emphasis and collaboration and teamwork. Working with the trainees on the group project not only enhanced my technical skills but also helped me develop important soft skills like communication and problem solving. Overall, the training program provided a solid foundation in web development, giving me the confidence to take on new challenges in the field. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn the experienced professionals at Codezeal and would highly recommend their plant training to anyone to looking to kickstart their career in web development. Now, I want to say thank you to the company and all the instructor who has given their precious time to exploring my knowledge and all the practicals which is needed for our future working in any IT company. Thank you Codezeal for providing such a wonderful training experience. Thank you.